told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. So inconvenient, okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back. Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. In today's video, I'm here at the plantation. Trust me, it's a beautiful one. You need to stick and stay to see this one, because this one is off the hook. Stick and stay, my viewers. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yes, my viewers, here on a location, as you can see in the background, it's a beautiful farm. But trust me, waiting at the guy so long and he's not here as yet. So right about now, seems like I have to stay on the outside and get some clips of this farm here to show you guys. It's a beautiful farm. But trust me, look how important his farm is. You see how important his farm is? You see how important his farm is? His farm is very important. You know what I mean? It's all about to put food on the table. It's all about to put money in your pocket. Stick and stay, family. So as you can see, my viewers, this plantation is a very huge plantation. This guy, he plants cane, yam, banana, okra. There's a lot of things over here. So I'm just gonna go on the outside, go around and do some clips to show you guys. There's a lot of plant tree also over here. And this guy, he sell cane and in the street, you know what I mean? He sell food on his bike. So you don't know, it's all about a progressive farmer. His name is Buju. But I'm here waiting and he don't show us yet. So my viewers and my subscribers, I'm gonna take you a little inside here because I'm on the outside. As you can see, there was two big padlocks on the gate. Alright. Yes, my viewers, as you can see here at Buju Plantation. Yeah. As I said before, this guy sell sugar cane on the street. Yeah. And trust me, as you can see, I'm right here at the main road. So if you hear a vehicle passing, sorry about the noise from the vehicle. Alright. Yes. Beautiful cane. We call this cane here the ribbon cane. Yeah. The reason being, because of the color of the cane. Alright. Yes, my viewers. Alright, there's a truck coming, so I have to pause the video. Alright, stick and stay, family. Alright, my people, there's a special type of ribbon cane, and trust me, anytime you see this cane, doesn't matter where you see it, how you see it, when you see it, it is a very sweet cane. Look on the color. Some of them, the burgundy red is very high. Some the color yellow is very high on it. And trust me, these canes, beautiful, nice and sweet. Anytime you get a joint of this cane, you don't want it to finish. When you don't eat a joint of this cane, feel like you just drink a red stripe beer. You know what I mean? Yes, it's all about sugar cane. As I said before in the previous part of the video, this guy, he sell cane on the street, alright? Yeah, he sell food also on his bike, you know what I mean? Pumpkin, dashing, cocoa, yam and banana, yes. Yeah, that's him, Bojo, alright? And this guy is a very genius, you know what I mean? He ride a special type of bike. You know, anything you see him, if he's driving a special car because he do a lot of design on his vehicles. Alright? So yes, my vehicle. Yeah, ha 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 ha. Viewers and subscribers, I'm not slipping. I'm just missing out. You know what I mean? I'm moving too fast. Alright. Yes, my viewers. As you can see here. This is a sign to tell you don't enter. It is private property, alright? Yes, my viewers. So don't worry yourself about that red thing on the banana plant. Yeah, it is just to keep you out. As you can see inside here, there's a lot of cane root inside here, you know what I mean? Here, there's a bunch of banana. The leaf is blocking it. Yeah, but trust me, you can cut banana at any time. Alright, I'm looking at a papa tree over yonder. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys the papa tree. Yes, my viewers. Beautiful, don't it? Yeah? Soon start to ripe, alright? Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man. And as we go along, just can't wait to see this guy to go on the inside. We have also cassava over here. I don't know if it is the sweet cassava or the bitter cassava, but we don't really plant the bitter cassava here. We plant the sweet cassava. Yeah? Yeah, man. I wonder if him this a come. No. Not him at this time. This is fever grass. I can stay here and smell the scent of the fever grass. Yeah? Alright, bossy. Blessings. Yeah, man. Beautiful. You know what I mean? Fever grass, you can use it to make tea, and it have a lot of medicinal properties. Alright, I don't know if I call those words properly because I'm not the guys that call those big words, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, the bud files. Lovely channel, my viewers, go and check it out, the bud files. Alright, yeah, man. Yard food, M&G, amazing M&G. Blessings. Yeah, man. Manage garden, yeah. Big up yourself. East Coast. Big up on yourself, alright? Yes, I. Yeah, man, 420 trees. Big up on yourself in America, alright? Yes, my people, this is. I have to say it over and over. This is one plant here. One plant, it is very wide. Okra, my viewers. Let me give you a closer view. This is okra. Okra, my viewers. And as you can see, it don't start bear as yet. Need to grow a little more. You know, prepare itself to bear. Alright. Also, there is one here. This one is bearing. This one is bearing, my viewers. As you can see. Okra. Yeah, okra. There are some more canes. Yeah. Over there. There's a lot of cane because, as I said before, he sell cane on the street. You know what I mean? He's a cane guy, alright? Yes, I. For real. I hear a bike coming. I don't know if it is him coming. But here, I'm going to show you a banana tree here. This is a banana tree. This is a banana tree, my viewers. Whoa. Wouldn't mind if I would have the access to go over here. You know what I mean? But trust me, this is a banana root. Look how big this banana chunk is. Yeah? Very huge. Yeah, this banana is a big breed banana. It carry over 20 something hand on the bunch. Alright? Yeah. Alright? We have some different types of cane here. I don't remember what they call these type of cane, but trust me, looking beautiful, you know what I mean? Yeah, they're not that soft as the ribbon cane, but trust me, cane. You know what I mean? And yes, my viewers, we reach back to our next banana plant here, where we see this red thing tie on it. It means keep out private property. Alright? Yes, my viewers. As you can see, as I said before, this guy is a magician, you know. This guy is a magician, you know what I mean? Yeah, so he put things on his farm. That's when certain person come here, them don't enter. Alright? Yeah. We are here again at the next papa tree. Yeah, we are here again at the next papa tree. Beautiful, beautiful, my viewers, beautiful. Papaya. Alright, yeah. Alright, we're still lingering around on the outside here. Can't get to go inside, but trust me, I'm not coming around here to waste time. This farm is too beautiful for me to lose out on it. Alright, here, as you can see, there's a nice bunch of banana here. This banana is one of the big breed banana, you know what I mean? As you can see, yeah. That is it, my viewers. Altia Taylor, pick up yourself, my girl. Blessings to you, Altia. Yeah, Altia Taylor. Natural life. Up. Yard food. Up. Yeah, man. As you can see here, he recently planted corn and peas. He recently planted corn and peas here. Yeah, as you can see, some sweet potato. Some sweet potato inside the middle here. Yeah. As I said before, I can't go in. Further down, there's a lot of cane. Yeah, there's a lot of cane further down. My God, I need to go inside here. But those two big padlocks, whoa. Yeah. There's 1 and 2 root of pumpkin here also. Yeah. Going further, my viewers. Alright. This is a bunch of plantain. This is a bunch of plantain, my people. Yeah, man. As you can see, the finger them is going to be very huge. You know what I mean? Yeah, because you can see it from now. Very young, but they are very huge. Alright? We're still going through. Still going through, my viewers. Yeah, man, it's all about, it's a farming revolution. Stick and stay, my viewers. Here we have some corn. We have some more corn here. Yeah, we have some more corn here. Yes, I have to go around. I have to go around the farm, you know what I mean? Can't go inside. Whoa. There's a lot of cocoa here. It seems like here is the cocoa area. You know what I mean? Yeah. We have some more sweet potato here. Yeah. And there's a lot of cassava on this side, my viewers. There's a lot of cassava on this side, my viewers. Yeah. A lot of cassava on this side. Let me show you the root of the cassava. Let me give you a better zoom. Yeah. Root of the cassava. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my people, it's all about farming. Guess I see some round leaf yam. Yeah. These are some round leaf yam, as you can see them up on stick. Yeah, some is over here. Round leaf yam. Yeah. They look like yellow yam, but much round, you know, that's what them call it, round leaf. We have a next root of cane here, beautiful, trust me. Yeah, this guy's going on fine, you know what I mean? Buju is going on fine, but he's not here on location, so I can't go over the plantation, you know what I mean? Whoa, round the back here, awesome, awesome, my viewers. As you can see, some more round leaf yam here. And as I said before, there's a patch of cane. There's a patch of cane, my viewers, trust me. Beautiful. I'd love to eat 2 joints of that cane, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, we have a root of pumpkin over here. And we have some plantain, as you can see. Right along the line here is plantain. Yeah, so Buju's is gonna have a lot of plantain to sell. You know, Sunday morning you're gonna fry 2 ripe plantain, don't it? Yes, we have some sweet potato also here. And over there it seems like he plants some more cassava. This guy is doing well with cassava. He plants a lot of cassava over here. Yeah, he's doing well with cassava, you know what I mean? So, as you can see, it is the sweet cassava. Yes, my viewers. Whoa. Here's our next plantation, but it seems like this plantation is a different person, you know? Different person. Yeah, man, you're looking at the hills and valleys of Panassos. Yeah, hills and the valleys of Panassos. Yeah, right here in Chilan. Alright, as you can see, back in the days was only one house on the top of this hill here. Check it out. Wow. Now viewers, there's a plantain. Ready. It can cut now. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, let me show you the patch of cane. There's a patch of cane. I want to go into that patch of cane to sit. That is how we used to do it back in the days. I used to go into the middle of the field. You know? There's this guy who used to oversee some cane fields, you know? They call him, his name was, not they call him, his name was Mas Ernell. Yes? That guy never used to like me because guess what? Every time this guy see me, there is cane juice on my, you know, on my mouth. I'm always eating cane. So this guy, me and him couldn't agree, but trust me, I was just a cane lover. I would go into the middle of the field and start to eat cane. You know what I mean? And when I finish eat cane, there's a patch of trash from the cane that I eat. You know what I mean? Yeah. So trust me. It's all about sweetness. But no, I'm staying away from sugar, alright? Yeah. Sugar cane. Yes, my viewers, so you don't know, you know. Reach to the end of the video. Yeah? Reach to the end of the video, my viewers. So I want to tell the item. Well, for love and blessings. Give thanks to the Most High to have we here. I can do a video and you guys can sit and watch. You know what I mean? It's good to see what's happened before we can watch it back. You know what I mean? Give thanks to technology. You know, that person who sit back in his chair and said we need to make something that we can do a video or we can capture some clips. You know what I mean? So give thanks. And you here, my name is Ever Slick. And I'm gonna be out for now, alright? So my people, stick and stay. Much love and appreciation, alright? Blessings.